Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhamad Adil Adham bin Khairul Fata. I'm student of Petroleum Chemistry from Universiti Putra Malaysia. Today I will explain to you about PFLNG Satu, or we call it as Petronas Floating Liquefied Natural Gas Satu. What do you guys know about PFLNG Satu? PFLNG Satu is the world's first floating liquefied natural gas facility. With mass of 132,000 ton, 365 meter length and 60 meter wide, it has 21 part of processing plant, flare tower 130 meter height, 35,000 pipe, and 22,000 cubic meter tank with 27 meter height and operated in negative 163 degrees Celsius.
Now, you guys know what about PFLNG Satu. It's very amazing and a masterpiece. Now, I will tell about planning of PFLNG Satu. How long do you guys think it was built and designed?
To design PFLNG Satu, it took almost 10 years and finished on December 2010. An agreement to construct PFLNG Satu was done on June 2012. PFLNG Satu was constructed at Daewoo Shipyard, Pokpo in South Korea from June 2013 and finished on March 2016. After finished the construction, PFLNG Satu was towed to its location, which is Kumang-Kanawit gas field, 180 km offshore of Bintulu, Sarawak. With distance of 3,926 km, it takes nearly 2 weeks to arrive at its destination. For your information, Kumang-Kanawit gas field has stored 1/3 of world natural gas reserve. It located under rock layer at 100 meter depth. For the operation, with 155 crew on board, the engineer predict the extraction of natural gas by flexible subsea pipeline for liquefaction, production, storage, and offload will last for 20 years without dry docking. The purpose for dry docking is for the maintenance and repair the ships. First, we float the dock and then move the ship into the position. Lastly, drain all water from the dock. It also can move to another location. The current location for this facility is at Kebabangan Gas Field, Sabah.
That is great planning to build PFLNG Satu. Next, what do you guys think the problem they face when they construct PFLNG Satu?
The solution for this problem is they build a big tank in the platform body to save space. The platform body must strong enough to provide support for 48,000 tons of processing plant. Huge tank with capacity of 22,000 cubic meter, which is equivalent to 9 Olympic swimming pool size. With temperature of 163 degrees Celsius, nobody can enter without proper safety equipment. Sloshing effect happen when the liquid gas had partially filled in the tank and it will have some free spaces. Therefore, it will move front and back in the tank. There is 1 mm layer that separates tank with the platform body. If this layer was damaged, the liquid gas will come out from the tank and cause damage to the platform body. If this happens, it will damage the platform body and lead to the explosion. Like previous disaster, which is Deepwater Horizon oil spill, it became bad memory in oil and gas history. To solve this problem, dual cargo containment system was built to reduce the sloshing effect within the hull. To move the mega block, they used special vehicle with 112 axle to the targeted location. The vehicle must move slowly to ensure the ground condition of the mega block is synchronized and same level to avoid movement of the mega block and fall from the vehicle. To lift up the module, they used 3,600 ton crane. For turning the hull, they face a problem which is wind that will cause imbalance to the module on the ship. To move the 112,000 ton platform, they used 4 towing boats with speed of 1 mile nautical per hour, which is equivalent to 2 km per hour on land. After lift up the module, it seems that the module is unfit with the platform. The difference between module and platform is 200 mm apart. To solve this problem, they cut well to refit the module with the platform. They cannot do wrong cutting to avoid bigger problem. The platform cannot float on the air for a long time. If the one is too strong, it will cause the disaster on the platform. With strong determination, finally the module fit on the platform. It's not an easy job because the platform has 35,000 pipes all over the places. The function of pipe is to transport the LNG to the tank. Therefore, the pipe must be cleaned and examined if there is a crack. If there is a crack, they must change into the new one. Welding point is the weakest joint. If the pipe has a crack, LNG will come out and heat will turn it into the original natural gas form and easy to explode. So, they use POUT to check the crack in the pipe. POUT is phase array ultrasonic test. It uses bead to check the crack in the pipe. If one pipe not connected, the system cannot run. After arrive in Malaysia, they must connect platform with Kumang Kanawit gas field. First, they must bring down the hose to connect it to the underwater pipe. The diver must dive 80 meter depth to connect the 169 meter hose to the underwater pipeline. While inhale mixture of oxygen and helium, the diver works in 8-hour shift in cold and dark place. Make underwater diver one of the most dangerous job in the world. Next, the diver boat carry the hose to the platform. In connecting process, they face a problem which is wave. It will increase the risk of the boat will collide each other. After they success connect the pipe to the platform, they must check if there is any problem. If there is no error and everything goes perfectly, PFLNG Satu can start its production. The function of compressor is to convert natural gas to LNG. Loading machine was used to transfer LNG to the carrier ship.
Okay, that's the challenge they face when they build PFLNG Satu. I respect their hard work to overcome it. As a result, the production started on December 2016. It can produce 1.2 million tons of LNG per year, and the first offloading is on 1 April 2017. I think that's all from me. I hope you guys understand about PFLNG Satu. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.